Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with alarm.com on Alexa smart home skill, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with alarm.com on your Alexa smart home skill, ensure you have your alarm.com account credentials ready. Start by opening the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. In the app, navigate to the Skills and Games section found in the main menu. Use the search bar to type in alarm.com and select the skill from the results. Tap on the Enable to Use button to initiate the authentication process. You will be prompted to log in with your alarm.com account information. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Once you've entered your credentials, tap the Login button. If your details are correct, the app will connect to your alarm.com account. After successful login, Alexa will ask you to authorize the connection between alarm.com. Confirm the authorization by clicking on Authorize. You may also be prompted to link any additional devices or services associated with. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any additional linking processes. Upon successful linking, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the alarm.com skill is enabled. Now, you can start using voice commands to control your alarm.com devices through your Alexa. To test the integration, try saying, "Alexa, ask alarm.com to arm the system." The voice command should trigger the desired action. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and ensure that your alarm.com account details. You can revisit the Alexa app to adjust settings or enable additional features as needed. With these steps complete, you are now fully authenticated with alarm.com on your Alexa smart home skill. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.